Carlos here, and right now we're in Summerlin, Nevada, and we're looking at some single-story luxury homes that I think you're going to love. Between the details that they've done to create these homes and also the layout as well, you're going to enjoy them. Right now, the model home that we're looking at is 3,300 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 3-bay garage. It has a courtyard, which we're going to show, and also a casita as well. Come on, let's take a look. As we walk down the courtyard, we're going to see the open courtyard that it has, which is very nice, especially for Nevada weather where you can enjoy the evenings basically all year round. The casita over here on the left-hand side, and then you have a dining room with the open sliding doors, which makes it even nicer for evening entertainment. Let's go ahead and check out the casita. So I do like the door. It's a nice heavy door, stylized. And as soon as you come in, you have the entry of a large closet. This casita, you can see the options where it comes with a fridge and a sink as well. And a nice large bathroom. Let's go ahead and check out the main house. So as soon as you enter the home, you can see the vastness of the living area, which falls right into the kitchen. So to the left of that, you have the dining room area. And these doors slide in completely, so you can have full access to the outside yard. Let's go over to the connecting kitchen. So as you can see the long island that you have here. You have your gas stove, you have your double ovens or it's oven microwave, beautiful center island with a deep sink. Then you have your dishwasher right here. And as you can see, you have full access to your living room, so if you have guests over, you won't feel isolated. They won't feel isolated with direct connection to a sliding doors to get that little bit of that indoor-outdoor living. Nice thing here is that the outside, you have the overhead. So you're gonna get a lot of shade coming in during the day. And that's gonna help a lot in this weather during the summer, especially during the really hot days. The pantry is a really nice large pantry. Look at this. And this is not even customized. This is just generic shelving used, nicely done. I do like this. They have the built-in shelving, metal frames, so it's gonna last and be sturdy. You put in some heavier weight, but this is a nice size. I do like these infrared lights, orbs, very nicely done. They have almost a 1920s retro feel to it. So you can see the extension of the islands here, plenty of cabinetry for you to put everything away. You see the ceiling fans, nice modern classic look. And here you have the choice of having either an office or you can probably turn this into an extra bedroom, depending on the floor plan options. Nice coffer ceilings. So if you didn't want to use the casita as an office, you can go ahead and have your office in the main house itself. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the house. Nice flooring. And here we have a half bath. And then to the right, we have the laundry room, which is a nice large laundry room. Here you can do a lot of stuff. This is one of the nice things that I like when they do. When they put a shelf on top of the washer and dryer, especially if they're front loading, this gives you a lot more square footage to actually do some work on. They have a deep sink here that's nice, and then also a large tabletop as well. Enough cabinetry for you to do storage. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other rooms that they have. Straight ahead is the master, so we're not going to hit that just yet. Let's go ahead and go to the second bedrooms. We have one full bath here outside, which the 2 bedrooms over here can share. As you can see, dual sink, nicely done. This has a nice warm feel to it when you enter it. Nice tall ceilings. Very nice sturdy shower head, as you can see. Position it correctly and you can have yourself a rainfall shower head as well. This builder has a lot of nice touches to it. This is nice as well. This gives you extra cabinetry. And if you're doing laundry or anything else, you can go ahead and put it on here. So in this community right now, they have 5 dirt lots left, and they're basically going pretty quickly. So here's the second room with its closet. And the closet's pretty decent size for rooms of this size. Normally, the closet would be half this size, maybe a little bit wider, but this is a nice touch that they have. Let's go ahead and look at the master bedroom. So before we look at this room, which you know what it is, and the bathroom to the right, let's go ahead and look at the bedroom itself. Just a nice sized bedroom, comfy, big bay windows. And here you can see the pool and also the little awning that they have out there for you to relax during the day. But it is a nice size. With its copper ceiling, they have built-in speakers in the ceiling as well. So let's look at closet number 1 of 2. So here's the first closet that they have here. Dual lighting on the top, give you a nice even, minimize the shadows. And the way this one is set up is pretty nice. You have a built-in shelving. And let's go into the bathroom. This is one of the largest bathrooms around right now. I'm not sure if you can tell the detail, but it basically fills in the complete width. It has dual shower heads. Take a look. Dual shower heads with a rainfall shower head as well, which is a pretty nice touch to it. We're not going to turn anything on. And then a very nice sized bathroom. Ladies, one of the things that you will rarely find in the master bathroom is an actual makeup station for you. Normally you will just see this completely across. This is a luxury for you. You can actually sit down comfortably, have your stuff in there, and apply your makeup. So if you ever have the option to have one built in, ask if they have a makeup station that they can install. Normally this is just dead space if you had this going all across. So if you can have one station put in, it's just basically a seating area that you can actually comfortably apply your makeup or anything else that you need to do. And then here's the second closet, which is bigger than the first one that we just saw. And then here is the bathroom again. So if you have any questions about this home, which is in Summerlin, go ahead and reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to give you more information about these lots, the extra lots, and when the actual homes will go on sale.